Frankly, I think I can't stand listening to regular radio anymore. I don't know, you listen to stations like Liquid Metal and Octane and Hip Hop Nation and Lithium and basically all the stations I listen to. It's really hard to go back to, you know, South Dakota's best rock or world class rock or blah 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 blah. Hi, I'm Clutch from the Sodak Motorcycle Blog, coming to you live from the North Pole. Good afternoon, everybody. You're tuned in with Clutch here with Sodak Motorcycle Blog. Hopefully all is well where you're at. Enjoying a nice June day today. Although for us it's another ridiculously stupid humid day. It's been that way for, well, 2 weeks now. But we've also, put about 10 inches in rain gauge the last 2.5 weeks, so that's well over half our rain for the year. So if you didn't see last week, you should check it out. Basically, here's what I did. I got a quad lock system for the motorcycle, and I'm reviewing it. So right now, all that you're hearing in the background, that's my Google Maps GPS. I put it on there. I know where I'm going, but I just wanted to turn it on just to see what it's like to navigate with this. And actually it hasn't been too bad. I'm doing it right now through my headset. I have made the decision that I need to just buy a Samsung dongle for this so I can hook it up into my little interface that hooks in the back of my radio for or the CB for the back, or into my intercom for my GPS to run it through the system. I mean, I could run it through my headset and just do XM through the phone, but here's the problem. The problem I always say, I don't know if you can tell, but on my phone there is no reception right now. Now, the reason why I have Google directions is because it'll pick it up when you're going through reception and then it'll load it to your route. But in the end, yep, I have no reception, meaning I have no music, because I'm not going through the trouble of trying to add all my CD music to my phone, because honestly I stream everything now and so does everyone else. So hence why I still keep the XM around, and yep, not giving that up anytime soon. I mean, it might work if I'm navigating town, but in the end, navigating outside of the city, which is, let's be honest, where I think most people prefer to ride, well, guess what? If I want a playlist that's not made by me, XM or terrestrial is going to have to work. And frankly, I think I can't stand listening to regular radio anymore. I don't know, you listen to stations like Liquid Metal and Octane and Hip Hop Nation and Lithium and basically all the stations I listen to. It's really hard to go back to, you know, South Dakota's best rock or world class rock or blah 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 blah. Trust me, if I want to listen to frickin' stupid Boston songs all day, I got a station on XM. It's called Ozzy's Boneyard. I can use that. Like, and I hate to pick on Boston, but I can't stand that band. I just can't. Seriously, where I worked, there was one place. When I worked in Gillette, there was a station there, like the classic rock station there. And I swear to God, all those bastards played was flipping Boston all the time. Every time you turn the radio on, oh great, it's Boston again, yay! Hence why I hate Boston. But anyways, purpose at hand. So, you've seen the video of me unboxing it and installing it. Well, this here Actually, you know what? Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do this road. But anyways, like I said, I digress. So this is how it mounts on there. I will say this: I've been very happy with it so far. It is really nice to have access to all my buttons. That was probably the first thing I saw that kind of drove me to these kind of mounts, was the fact that you don't have to piss around with. I'm not waving at the slingshot. Sorry, that's not a motorcycle. I know Polaris says it is for insurance purposes, so they don't have to actually, you know, do any road testing with it. But yes. Anyways, the biggest thing to draw to it is, like I said, it's a nice clean mounting right there. I have access to all my buttons. Like, the phone is just a nice clean setup. One thing that always kind of sucked on the RAM mount was, you know, you have the RAM deals that hold it in, or to hook it in, which is great. Problem is, you always seem to hit one of the volume buttons with it. And then if you had to adjust the volume on your GPS, it was like, or on your phone when you're navigating, it was a royal pain in the neck. So it just didn't happen. So you'd be going 20, 30 miles, and well, you don't know if your GPS is working or not. Another thing it used to do is you'd accidentally hit the screen lockout. Same deal. And if you got around the bump, the holders, well, then you had the little strap to worry about, which I used to never use that strap until one day at Sturgis Rally. I went to accelerate out of a stop sign, and my phone fell into my lap, which was fun. So after that, I used the straps, and like I said, you use the straps, it takes away a lot of the ease of getting your phone in and out of that. So this one has got that ease, which is what I like. The main reason why I went with this style of a phone mount. And mounting it isn't too bad. Let me get to a place where we can stop here. Alright, there's a place I can pull off.
Continue on Norris Peak Road at 1.5 miles.
So, like I said, this is a very, like I said, the system is very good, very well. Like I said, mounts on nice and easy. There's my phone right there. I actually did splurge for the magnetic one. Let's see if I got some of this magnetic or metal. Nope. So I did splurge. It's extra $10 for a magnetic one. They also have a magnetic system you can use, but I went with the OG quad lock. And you can see it just sits right there. You put you pop it onto here like so, and then click it right in. Nice and easy like that, right? Ah, damn. So to pop it off, so normally you get a blue lever, but since I got the wireless charger on it, pull that back. There you go. You also can mount it sideways. Like so. Although that makes it more of a pain to get that out. And personally, your phone kind of likes to go like this anyway, so that's why I'm just going to run with. But you see I got the mount there. It sits in there nicely. Got the power comes from underneath. You saw that last time. Charged it up. Obviously, I got the power control too. Has an auto switch and it's a straight on switch, which is nice. Basically, if you're below 12.5 volts, it won't charge. You can see right now, my bike is off, meaning it's not, the alternator's not running, meaning it's under 12.5 volts. You notice it's not charging. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Back down the road we go. As you can see, it just come on there. We got over 12.5 volts. Another thing, obviously, when you buy one of these cases, you're going to need to probably invest in some gloves that they'll work on a touchscreen. These ones actually do kind of work on it, so which is nice. Because there are times you want to skip the track, do whatever, but like I said, overall, I'm very satisfied with this product so far. I really like the fact, just the quickness of it, because it's very quick and easy to take it on and off. I do think I might actually use my GPS a little bit more on a bike now. If nothing else around here, just for telling me where to go next. Or telling me how long it takes to get home, so I got an idea how far I can head out. Yeah, so far I'm pretty satisfied with this product. The other thing I did buy is I did buy the vibration dampener for it, and the way some of these roads are, here, you can probably tell. It's for roads like that little stretch there where it's so flipping rough. But I tell you what, it works really good. It mounts really good. I think it looks pretty nice. I ended up buying the Ramball style mount, and then I paired it with, I bought just like a security mount for Ramballs. It's got a little insert you got to put in there to actually adjust it, to make it tight or loose. But, and yes, I do realize that if someone really wants it, they can get it off there. But what I'm trying to do is just eliminate the crimes of opportunity. Oh, cool, I can take this real fast. So I'm trying to eliminate that. So I feel like I've done with that. We're going to do what the GPS doesn't want me to do and turn the wrong way. Now, one note I will say about this quad lock, I bought it with my own money. I'm not sponsored. This is not a sponsorship by Quad Lock. So I just want to make sure I get that out there. And of course, there's other options. You also have what's called the rock form mount. Now, why did I go with the quad lock over the rock form? Well, it was mostly had to do with that deal right there, the smart battery monitor. And not so much what it does, but the fact that it had an SAE plug already on it, and I have an SAE plug here at the front of my bike. So I went with that because I thought, you know what, that'd be a good deal. I'd say fit, I think it fits very well. I think it fits very well. It's got a good finish. I mean, it's a little big, but I don't think that's too bad. I think this is a good workable system, and I would definitely recommend it to someone. Now, would I have done Ramball if I didn't have the big wide handlebars? Probably not. I probably would have done a handlebar mount, but since that's the option. And also, you can buy mounts that go on your clutch lever, or on your clutch and brake master cylinder bolts. But as you can see, mine are already pretty damn busy, so I didn't want to add anything else to it. So we just went with the Ramball style mount. And I can't remember if the rock form has a Ramball style or not, but that was another thing that I liked about this, is it had a Ramball style mount, so I could actually kind of integrate with it with what I already have. And the best thing I like about it is no clamps I got to put it in, no straps I got to run over the top of it. I can literally grab it and go. And that's probably my favorite thing about it, is I can grab it and go. Another thing I forgot to mention about it that I like about it is we're sitting there at, what do we got? 83%. And I've had my GPS running with the screen in the daylight, so you know the screen's at the brightest it goes. Plus I got the XM playing right now, and it was searching for a signal earlier, and the thing is still adding charge. It's been slowly adding in a percentage or two as we've gone along. So granted, you got everything on, it's not going to be as lightning quick, but it's still a pretty good solid charging deal, that's for sure. So up there it just popped up to 84%, so it's going up as I'm using it, which to me that's a big sign. That's a good sign. It says it is a fast charger, and like I said, it legitimately does keep up, so hopefully it'll stay that way. I'm pretty satisfied with it overall, battery wise too. So but anyways, now I think I'm gonna stop talking. I just happened to remember that from the, you know, from after I cut the video, so we'll add that in at the end. Anyways, we'll see you later. Well, I think that's about all I gotta say for this first ride. I'll probably do a little more in-depth review once I get used to doing more riding with it, but so far I really like what I have here. So once again, I'm Clutch from Sodak Motorcycle Blog. You can find us at YouTube at Sodak Motorcycle Blog. Basically search it. You also can find us on Facebook and Instagram at Sodak Motorcycle Blog. So here we release a video every week. We'll release it every Thursday at 7 o'clock Mountain Time here in North America. You can hit that bell notification icon if you like. Also, I'd ask that you please subscribe to the Sodak Motorcycle Blog. Please drop comments, good or bad, just to help that algorithm out. I would definitely appreciate it. And anyways, I think that's it. I'm Clutch. Have a good day.